Right, this is a dual flush toilet system. As you can see, I've tied up the inlet valve to stop the water flowing in there, because what's happening is filling up with water in there. There's a constant run of water just coming down there, all the way down here. It's just a constant trickle of water coming down there. So what I'm going to attempt to do now is try and stop the trickle of water coming down there. Now with this system, what you have to do is push this down and turn it, which I shall try now. I'll have to stop the camera a minute. As you can see, there's two clips down here, one on that side and one on that side. I've turned it, pushed it down and turned it anti-clockwise. Now I should be able to pull this out like so. And that's why there's a constant water leak in there, because the seal is gone. If you can see on there, the seal is gone on there. Right, as I said, the rubber seal is gone on this. So what you have, you can buy a new seal for it, but it's a bugger getting the old one out. You're supposed to stick a screwdriver in the centre there and try and wedge them clips out there, which I can do. So what I'm doing is getting a pair of pliers, and as you can see, squeezing the top so I can actually get the clip out. You can just see the difference in size from the old rubber I've taken off to the new rubber. So I'm now going to fit the new rubber on. As you can see now, there is water in the tank, and there's no water leaking down there. So that's fixed. Hope this video has helped you.